Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we're gonna discuss how to fix something went wrong. Please try again later. Support code c14a. If you are having this kind of error after trying to log in into your Snapchat account, then how you gonna fix that? So what you have to do, you have to simply first of all close this Snapchat, and after that what you have to do, you have to simply press and hold Snapchat, and here you have to click on app info. After clicking on app info, the first thing you have to do is you have to simply click on force stop, and you have to stop your Snapchat. And after that you have to click on storage and cache, and here you have to clear the cache of your Snapchat app, and you have to check whether the problem has solved or not. If the problem is still there, you can also go for the clear storage. If the problem is already there by doing all this, then you can also check for the Snapchat updated version, which means if it is showing any kind of update, then you have to update your Snapchat, because many bugs and error has been fixed by the Snapchat updated version. If the problem is still there, then you have to open any kind of browser, which may be Chrome. So you have to open a new tab here, and here you have to simply search for Snapchat support here. If you search for that, you have to click on the first link you have provided with, and here you have to search for Snapchat support code c14a. As you can see, there is no option Snapchat support code c14a, and if you want to get help, then you have to apply a trick, which is you have to go back and you have to simply click on my account is compromised, and you have to click on that. After that you have to wait for some time so that the page loads. I can access my account. You have to click on that, and after that you have to scroll down, and you have to click on I see an error message when I log in. After that you have to scroll down, and you have already tried all the thing, and you have still needed help, so you have to click on yes. And after that here you have to provide your username. After that here you have to provide your email, and you have to provide your mobile number here, and you have to provide your device, which means brand or model you are using. After that you have to provide the dates on which this problem has started occurring, and moreover you can also attach the screenshot of the problem here. After providing the screenshot of the problem, you can here provide the description of the problem, which is as hello Snapchat team, I have logged into my Snapchat account and it is showing me support code c14a error. Help me in this regard to solve this error. I shall be very thankful to you. After that you have to simply click on the submit captcha, and after submitting the form, within 24 to 48 hours Snapchat support team will connect to you and solve the problem for you. Hope you have liked this video. Kindly subscribe our channel.